and share with you my monthly subscription box with Boxycharm. So this month I received about, let's see, I think maybe 4 to 5 full-size items, and that's what's really nice about Boxycharm is that you always receive full-size items for only $21. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches, go ahead and show you what I received in my box. I may also play with the eyeshadow palette that I received as I already have some makeup on. And stay tuned, let's see what's in this box. So what I really love about Boxycharm is that I always receive a palette and it never disappoints. This month I received the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 and I'm excited because I think I have Volume 1 already and the payoff is absolutely stunning. So, oh my god, this looks so pretty. Look at the shimmers on this. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with this and I'm definitely, hold up, let me see this treasure shade. I'm excited. Now I gotta swatch this real quick. What in the actual? I need you guys to see this. This is so bright. I'm definitely gonna put that all over my face, for sure. I also received a Bite Beauty lipstick. The shade is called Ginger Snap. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it quickly so you guys can see. This color is really, really pretty. I love Bite Beauty. Their lipsticks are so creamy and I love them. So I'm excited to receive this in the box. I also received a black eyeliner and a leave-in conditioner for my hair. So you guys can see that. And I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to try this on later. I received 2 of the Dewy Masks from Tatcha. I'm so excited because I really, really love their primers. I love their cleansers. Overall, this is a really good company and I'm excited that I received all of this in my box this month. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I'm gonna use this palette to make a soft glam look, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the palette first and I'm probably gonna start with this shade, really pretty shade called Malibu. Seems to be the darkest on the palette. Well, it seems to be kind of like, I don't know, let's swatch this shade. It's kind of metallic-y, it's pretty. We're gonna go ahead and start with that shade and I'm gonna go ahead and use a 217 MAC brush on that. And pick up some to see how the payoff is on this. I'm going to tap off the excess. I'm just going to place that into my crease first and just do some window wiping motions. I need to get to the bottom of my eye a little bit and bring it upwards. I want this to be very subtle but still really glowy as this palette seems to be super, super glowy. And I like to blend out like upwards and out just because I have I like to call my eyes puppy eyes because it kind of like shapes downwards. So I like to mimic my eye going upwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that illusion by just dragging this darker eyeshadow upwards past my socket to go ahead and give. So now I'm gonna work on the other eye. Same thing, I'm gonna start in the socket. We're just gonna blend upwards. A good tip with blending, after you apply the brush kind of downwards, you might kind of want to flip it and bring it upwards. And that's kind of do the blending for you. Apply some at the bottom of my lash line so I could attach it, which is super, super important to give you that elevated eye look that I was saying earlier. So I want to kind of get that cat eye effect. So now with a clean blending brush, same thing, 217. I'm going to blend this out. So I went ahead and I finished blending out this eyeshadow and there's only light colors in the palette. I want to go ahead and use the black eyeliner first before I move ahead so I can go ahead and intensify the look. So I'm going to start in with my waterline. So now, using a small definer brush, I'm going to go and smudge that out. So let's see. We're just going to go and smudge it so it just looks super well blended. I don't want any harsh lines. Alright, so now that I went ahead and I smudged on my eyeliner, like this way, I'm gonna go ahead and further deepen the crease with the same shade, same 217 brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and further define my crease just because I want it to be really deep set in. And then again with the clean 217 brush. Shade Jewel, which is the shade right here, and I'm going to use a Real Technique, better said, brush. Brush is so good anyway. And I'm also going to go ahead and mist it with some setting spray. This one's also actually from Tarte. It's one of my favorites. I have to make it all the time. It's the Ready, Set, and Radiant. I also got this in my Boxycharm too, I think from like 2 months ago. So I just missed that a few times. And now I'm going to apply that right into the center of the lip. And the shade that I am using is Escape on the same 217 brush. Let's go ahead and do it on the other eye. Just so we have that super highlighted inner eye look. And I do not want to go ahead and hit the crease either. I just want to keep this straight into the center. It's alright if it's super shiny or not. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner at the top of my eye so we can go ahead and smooth that out. So I'm just smoking this out, and again, just kind of give me not necessarily a cat eye effect, but still an elongated eye to give me that super elevated look that I'm going for. Now I'm gonna go and hit up my eyelashes. This one's I'm gonna put on the falsies. Make sure you coat them really, really good. Just how this eyeshadow is light, I just want to make sure that the base looks really, really smoky. So I've placed the lashes, and now I'm just adding a little mascara to my bottom lash line. To my bottom lashes, better said. And honestly, I would like to kick up a little bit the eyeshadow. I'm not really happy with the center. I would like it to be a little bit more in your face. So I'm going to be using a flat brush and then using this shade Raise. I'm going to go ahead and pack that into the center, same concept. Just go ahead and pack it onto the brush, and also just to make sure that I get the intensity that I want. Make sure I'm going to miss that as well. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with this eyeshadow look. I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish off my face, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be having new videos on the way. And before I forget, I do have a Boxycharm code, so go ahead and check out my description so you can get some money off. And also go ahead and follow me on my social media if you do not do so. I am on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything, which will be down below. Thanks so much